How to export bookmarks from Microsoft Edge. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily export your bookmarks on Edge app. So the first thing you do is open up Microsoft Edge and you'll be able to see all of your bookmarks right here on top. So what you can do is manage your favorites folder, which is your bookmarks. And then from here, you should be able to add or remove any kind of favorites. So if you want to add favorites, just type in name, let's say Facebook, and on the URL, type in facebook.com, and then tap on save. Now Facebook has also been added. So if you want to export this, all you have to do is go back and then right click on it to manage favorites. Then from here, tap on three lines and then click on export favorites. What you can do is go to downloads and export your favorites as an HTML file. So if I go ahead and open my file explorer and head over to downloads, here I'll be able to see this favorites HTML. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.